Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Onion holder. Smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Pastry brush. Upgraded one-piece design and stainless steel core technology. Owing to one-piece design, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, unlike other bristle brushes. No bacteria will be stuck in the silicone basting brush and keep your food safe. The handle built with internal steel core results in a solid durability to our basting oil brush. It is also long enough to get a firm grip, never break and rust. Premium silicone, heat-resistant, cheese grater, comfortable to use and built to last. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater, cheese grater electric, cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single desk classic zester grater and food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the chef zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, BBQ, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for juicer machines. Easy Prep. The wide 4-point feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies, letting you skip the time-consuming prep work. Thoughtful design. The 41-ounce hopper and self-feeding function let you load all your ingredients at once and juice multiple items in minutes. Preserve flavor and nutrients. The low-speed auger, under 75 RPM, preserves nutrients and flavor by minimizing oxidation and heat buildup. Anti-drip spout. The anti-drip spout reduces mess and cleanup, plus you can close it for blending juices without spills. Simple operation. One knob for on-off and reverse makes this juicer easy to use with minimal effort. Quick and easy cleaning. Disassemble in 3 simple steps and use the included brush for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Meat tenderizer. Chef-grade meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizing tool easily slices through meat to create tiny heat channels without change the shape or appearance of the meat. The channels tenderize the meat while also providing greater absorption of marinade or spice and lowering cooking times up to 40%. Increases flavor and tenderness of all cuts of meat. High quality and great design. Meat tenderizing tools are manufactured with high-quality 48 stainless steel blades with hard texture, durable to use without corrosion and rust. Blades are sharpened on both sides for prolonged performance that stays sharp even after frequent use. ABS grip with human engineering principle bring you much convenience, let you easy to hold, and keep a good mood to cooking. Oil sprayer. Oil control. Our olive oil sprayer delivers a consistent, ultra-fine spray with an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle to provide precise oil mist for even coverage. One full stroke sprays approximately 1 gram, 0.04 ounce of cooking oil to control your daily intake of calories. Versatile oil sprayer works with all types of cooking liquids such as olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, wine, canola oil, water, and more. Makes frying, grilling, baking, seasoning, salad dressing, air frying, drizzling, and following calorie-controlled recipes easier. Design: the oil spray bottle, built-in filter system to avoid clogging the nozzle, and is leak-proof with an anti-drip trigger. The unique buckle design prevents accidental oil leakage, making it convenient to carry for outdoor activities like BBQs and picnics. Pizza Cutter Rocker. Premium quality, made of food-grade 430 stainless steel blade and PP cover. The Pizza Rocker knife is incredibly sharp. The whole steel plate is integrated to make no welding, no falling off, not easy to deform and rust. Unique double handles design. The pizza knife adopt the ergonomic double wood handle, helps you cut pizza quickly and comfortably without causing any discomfort to your wrist. The unique double handles make it comfortable in hand and save strength. Curved blade design. Curved sharp blade and arc design makes stress concentration of force, allows you to cut the pizzas easily in one move smoothly. Once for all, upgrade Safe Mandolin Slicer Plus. Safer Slicer. Safety mandolin slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade. Slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer, larger feeding port and container chopper, more food at once, offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once, no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness, 0.1 to 8 millimeters, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. Easy to clean. Knife set. Set includes 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 5.5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 2.75-inch bird's beak paring knife, 4.5-inch steak knives, 6, 8-inch sharpening steel, all-purpose household shears, and wooden block superior performance. Cuisinart's classic forged triple rivet cutlery possesses superior high-carbon stainless steel blades for precision and accuracy. Total Control, durable extra-wide safety bolster for perfect stability and control. Well-built, stainless steel rivets to secure the full-tang blade to the ergonomically designed burger press. Food-grade press and heavy-duty cast iron. Avoid harmful PTFE or PFOA chemicals that other presses use with our food-grade iron cookware. The Bellman Bacon Press might just be the most indestructible cooking tool you use. Made with heavy-duty cast iron, the press can also be seasoned like cast iron skillets to create a non-stick surface. Equalized weight distribution for perfect grill marks every time. Preheat your beautiful first grill press on the pan. Then apply the equalized heavy pressure to your food of choice for a short time.